What is up, TM for life, gang gang. So right now we about to do another mukbang. We got rice and gravy and stewed chicken. And for our drinks, Mountain Dew. Oh.
Prayer. Yeah.
I'm not afraid. Thank you for the nourishing of our, the food that we about to receive, nourishing of our body. In Jesus' name, I pray, man.
Yeah.
This food about to be so good in my mouth. Mind you, we haven't ate since this morning, you guys. What y'all doing on this lovely Sunday?
A hot one, too.
Yes, it's like 80-something degrees here. We just got back from the house with my sister, and we went everywhere, y'all. Everywhere. We went to the nail shop,
Walmart,
City Trends. Well, me and Em walked to Walmart, and we got some beef jerky. And we went to the vitamin store. We went to GameStop.
I got to play Fortnite.
Shoe department. What
Ross.
else? Oh yeah, Ross, Kohl's, Target. I think that's it. And now we're back home eating.
Yep.
Because E gotta go to Wendy's. I mean E. No, we want to go to Taco Bell.
Oh yeah, we was going to Taco Bell
To get the nacho fries. Cause that was good. We should have still got the Skittle Frosty though. Comment down below if y'all had the nacho fries from Taco Bell. So that's what we're currently doing, cause Em gotta go home soon. So we decided to do this mukbang for y'all real quick. So that's what we've been doing.
Yep.
I don't know. She might go to her daddy house this weekend, y'all. So I probably won't see her until the following. It's just right around the corner.
Oh, y'all just cracked my neck. That just hurt.
I need something to drink. Oh, and we went to 5 and Below, y'all.
Oh yeah.
I told you we went to the many places. But the nail shop, be on the lookout for that video because it was cool in there. I never seen a nail shop like that before.
There's gonna be one on the what you call it? I don't know. Challenges and pranks. I did the dance challenge. The what you call it? Yeah, the dance challenge up in the thing.
And now, y'all know how like y'all go in the nail shop and sometimes they be looking all ghetto. This one was like really bougie. So you know, I had to capture that moment. Make sure y'all thumb this video up and subscribe to both our channels. TM for Life Gang, the vlog channel, and our challenge channel. Subscribe, cause it's gonna be lit this summer. And Em will be over here a lot more, so that way we can vlog more and do challenges more. Instead of just on the weekends, I vlog with her. So yeah, right, Em?
Huh?
I said, right, Em?
What we talking? Oh yeah, right.
She don't know what we talking about, y'all.
I was too busy eating. But yeah, I'll be more in the summer. That's all I heard.
Well, dang, Emma's almost done with her food, y'all.
I was hungry.
We finished cleaning up on our side.
All I gotta do is get this my Satchel Love bag.
But yeah, we about to end this video right here because we just about done with our food. So make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, and comment on both channels, and give us feedback on what we doing wrong and what we doing right. Peace.